Yo, it's Lux from Server.pro and welcome to this tutorial in which I'm going to show you how to install and use a VPN Guard. The installation is very simple. All you have to do is go to the control panel, head over to the plugins, change to the spigot tab here and search for VPN Guard like so. Then hit the install button and restart your server. So the reason why you might want to get this plugin is for making your server a bit more secure, for example to stop spammers or bots from joining the server. It basically prevents players who use a VPN or proxy from joining your server. Once it's installed, there's not much you need to do in the config. However, if you want to change things, everything is simply commented, so you should have no problems. If you want to set up permissions, all the nodes can be found on the plugin page, link in the description. So yeah, let's go through the commands in game. All of the commands start with /VPN Guard. There are a few commands available, as you can see. For example, /VPN Guard notify toggles notifications if someone joins using a VPN or proxy. You can also generate a web page report that displays this by typing /VPN Guard report, but as you can see, I have no data available to display. You can whitelist and blacklist countries, ISPs, and different IPs using in-game commands too. And if you want to get a full list of commands and explanations of what they do, make sure you visit the plugin page as everything is explained there. Also, if you have any problems, make sure to ask there. However, if you do have any further inquiries, contact our support team. And apart from that, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.